Oh my gosh, guys. So, funny thing today, I missed my flight, all right? I missed my flight. I am at a train station from Stansted Airport now I'm heading to Gatwick Airport and I'm exhausted. I just booked another flight going to Copenhagen last minute. I'm hungry. My phone battery is about to die. And yeah, I'm like running out of pounds, but it's been crazy because I entered through a wrong place. I wasn't paying attention to the right gate, and this airport sucks. Stansted sucks. Ryanair sucks, and yeah, it's just been a really crazy day so far. The good part is I have a flight booked. Um, I'm heading to another airport in London to catch it, and uh, oh yeah, I was just like withheld. I was held at immigrations briefly because I already had a stamp on my passport and I couldn't enter through the UK border. So Border Patrol or the UK Border Patrol detained me for a little bit until they could get someone to escort me out of their system and out of the airport. Well, not out of the airport, but out of the whatever controlled area was. That sucked. Um, but yeah, right now I'm just waiting. It's been a crazy day. I will update y'all again later. Hopefully, I don't know, but I'm not gonna have time to check out Copenhagen. It's all right. You know, stuff happens and it's beyond my control. Um, Ryanair, you suck. That's all I want to say.